Hi, this is Mrs. A of Math-A-Matic. If you are new here, I have series of videos for grade 7, grade 8, and grade 9 math. Today's video is about writing linear equation ax plus by is equal to c into slope-intercept form equation of the line. This ax plus by is equal to c is what we call the standard form. Now, so I have here the equation of the line in standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c, wherein a, b, and c are real numbers. A and b cannot be both equal to 0, which means itong a pwede siyang maging 0 but not b. Or ito naman yung b, pwede siya maging 0 but not a at the same time. Okay? Now, so I have here the slope-intercept form equation of the line y is equal to mx plus b, wherein m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. So since ang standard form equation of the line is ax plus by is equal to c, sabi kanina na pwedeng maging 0 ang a o kaya maging 0 ang b, pero hindi pwedeng magsabay. So pag ang a natin ay 0, so if a is 0, ibig sabihin na wala tayong term na to. So what we have is by is equal to c. And example is y is equal to 7 or 2y is equal to 8. Now, what about if b is 0? It means na wala tayong this one, yung second term or middle term. So meron lang tayong ax is equal to c. So we have an example, x is equal to 7 or 2x is equal to 8. Okay, so now this is 2x plus 5y is equal to 10, which is the complete standard equation of the line. And we are going to identify the value of a. A is simply the numerical coefficient of x, and that is 2. And b is the numerical coefficient of y, and that is 5. And c is equal to 10. Now, the slope-intercept form, I have here y is equal to 10x plus b, wherein here 10 is what we call the slope and b is what we call the y-intercept. Okay, so please tandaan nyo ito. Ito yung slope-intercept form, ito naman yung standard form. Okay, so ngayon, again, tandaan natin, ito yung standard form natin at ito naman yung slope-intercept form. Okay, so write the following in standard form. Identify the value of a, b, and c. So, ayan ngayon yung equation of the line natin, naka-slope-intercept form. So, paano natin siya gawing standard form, which is ax plus by is equal to c. So, meron tayong properties of equality na mga i-apply dito. So, first, kailangan, di ba? Kailangan itong x nandito sa left side, kasama ng y. At yung maiiwan lang dapat dito ay 2. Ayan, tingnan nyo. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to apply the addition property of equality by adding negative 3x on both sides of the equation. So, dito ngayon, pag nag-add tayo ng negative 3x, so here, negative 3x here. Which means that this one is equal to 0. So, what we have here, on the left side, we're just going to copy negative 3x plus y is equal to 2. So that's the equation, negative 3x plus y is equal to 2. And then, what are we going to do? We need to make this negative 3 positive. Because in standard form, a is positive. So what are we going to do is just multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. Okay, so if we're going to multiply negative 1, simply, it seems like it's just changing the sign. Para ka lang nagpalit ng sign. Negative 1 times negative, that makes positive 3. And this is negative times positive, maging negative ito. So, para mo lang siyang pinalitan sa opposite sign niya. So, meron na tayong 3x minus y is equal to negative 2. So, napansin nyo, multiplying by negative 1 is just simply changing the sign. Okay, So that is now the equation of the line in standard form, and we can identify now the value of A, B, and C. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to -1, and C is equal to -2. It is very important to write first in standard form before identifying the value of A, B, and C. Okay, let's have another one. So I have here y is equal to 3 over 4 times x plus 2. So I have denominator 4 here. So what I'm going to do now is multiply both sides by 4. Kailangan kasi matanggal ko itong 4 na denominator. Para mo matanggal yan, magmumultiply ka both sides of the equation by 4. Multiply ka dito, 4. Multiply ka rin dyan ng 4. Kasi ito, 4 times y, that is 4y. Okay? And then, ito ngayon, makakancel na ito. Kasi para kang, this is now 4 times 3 is equal to 12 divided by 4. Or simply, cancel this 4 and 4. So what we have here is only 3x. And then, multiply mo rin ito. So kailangan dapat i-distribute mo yan sa lahat ng terms. So what we have now is 4y is equal to 3x plus 8. 2 times 4. So, kanina, di ba, na-cancel na itong 4, tsaka dyan. So, ngayon, anong gagawin natin sunod? Ayan, kailangan itong 3 mapunta dun sa kabila. So, pag sakaling meron kang gustong alisin na term dito, ang gagawin mo lang, mag-add ka lang ng parehong given na number and variable but different in sign. So, yung opposite sign niya. So, ngayon, anong gagawin natin? Apply again addition property of equality by adding negative 3x on both sides of the equation. So, negative 3x. And then, this one again, this will be equal to 0. And negative 3x now, kukopyahin ko lang dyan sa kabilang side. So, magiging negative 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. Kopyahin mo lang yung x dito. And then, again, siya ay negative. So, again, magmumultiply ka uli ng negative 1 para magiging positive yung 3 natin. At magiging negative na ngayon yung 4 at magiging negative na rin yung 8. So, multiply both sides by negative 1. So, it becomes 3x minus 4y is equal to negative 8 in standard form. So, A now is equal to 3, B is equal to negative 4, and C is equal to negative 8. Now, we are going to write the following in slope-intercept form. Identify the slope and y-intercept. So, kabaliktaran ngayon. Ang given naman ngayon ay standard form. Kukunin natin yung slope-intercept form. So, ayan, 5x plus 3y is equal to 15. Now, tingnan nyo yung slope-intercept form. Dapat y lang ang maiwan sa side na to. Dapat itong 5x mapunta dito. At dapat matanggal din natin yung 3. So, gawin natin isa-isa. Unahin natin itong 5x. So, anong gagawin natin? Apply the addition property of equality by adding negative 5x. So, ayan, sa kabilang side din dapat. Now, ito ay magiging 0 ngayon. At kukopyahin ko lang ngayon yung negative 5x sa right side. So, ang equation ko na ay magiging 3y is equal to negative 5x plus 15. Now, another one, kailangan matanggal itong 3. So, in doing that, multiply both sides by 1/3. Kung ano man yung numerical coefficient ng y, kunin mo lang yung reciprocal niya, then yun ang imo-multiply mo. And then actually, multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. But anyway, I'll show to you the we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so multiply. That's multiplication. So dapat ito, multiply natin lahat yan. Okay, let's just make parentheses here. Okay, so now, 1 times 3, that is still 3. So 3y over 3. And then dito naman, negative 5x times 1, negative 5x pa rin. 15 times 1, still 15, then over 3. Okay? So, para ka lang nag-divide ng 3. So, ngayon, makakancel na ito. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So, ayan. So, mayroon na ako ditong y. Sa kabilang side naman, negative 5 over 3. At 15 divided by 3, that is equal to 5. This is 15 times 1, 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So that is now the slope-intercept form of the line, equation of the line. And now we can get the slope, that is negative 5 over 3. Ito lang, yung numerical coefficient ng x dito. Yan, m. And then ito nga ngayon ang b, or y-intercept. So I have here another one, 6x minus 2y is equal to 9. So again, dapat y lang maiwan sa left side. So ang gagawin ko, by addition property of equality, I'm going to add negative 6x on both sides of the equation. So ito ngayon ay magiging 0. At kukopyahin ko lang yung negative 6x sa kabilang side. So what I have now is negative 2y is equal to negative 6x plus 9. Now, negative dito ang sign ng 2 dapat, kasi dito positive y lang. Y ang matitira. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko, magmumultiply ako both sides of the equation by negative 1/2. Okay? So negative 1/2. So here, negative 1/2, negative 1/2. Okay, so now, we have negative 1 times negative 2, it becomes positive, then divided by 2, that is y. Or simply, ayan lang, makakancel lang. Sorry. Ayan, so mawawala na yan. So y na lang ang matitira, positive. And here, this negative 1/2, multiply ko rin siya sa 6. Distribute ko siya. Negative 1 times negative 6 magiging positive 6 divided by 2. So that is 6 divided by 2, x. And then, negative 1 times 9 maging negative 9 over 2. So negative 9 over 2. So now, simplify ko yung 6 divided by 2. That is equal to, y is equal to 3x minus 9 over 2. Now, the slope is equal to 3, which is the numerical coefficient of x here. This is the m. And this is the value of b, or the y-intercept, which is now equal to negative 9 over 2. So that's how you're going to change one form to another. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like if you like it. Bye!